Hamburger line solution I-line provides maximum flexibility in time and overall line performance increases. Inside the food processing industry of how metal detectors keep food safe. Thousands of cakes have been made by this huge specialized string. These cakes are lined up extremely neatly to wait for the next justice. A necklace made of round bread, cut and stacked in a tray, looks eye-catching. Please watch us to see these moments. In the video, you can see a completely cruel production line that goes well with various fruits and berries and fills bottles and bags in boxes. The vacuum cleaner is not perfect for filling different liquids, even products with high viscosity. These machines have harvested thousands of tons of olives to produce olive oil. Tons of bell peppers have been prepared efficiently and safely. Maybe you don't know yet because of this modern machine. The processing of shrimp is faster. Do you know what this machine is for? Please leave a comment below. Between product batches while ensuring the quality and freshness of the final product. Looking at the juicy red apples being packaged, you can't help but feel immediate attraction and excitement. The bright beauty and pure flavor of red apples create an attractive and appealing feeling. The packaging protects the apples from external influences and keeps them fresh. Besides, the packaging also highlights the natural beauty of the apple, creating a luxurious and professional feeling. Not only part of the enjoyment experience, but also a symbol of cleanliness and quality. Looking at the packaged red apples, I can't help but feel the freshness and appeal. And that's definitely what makes people want to enjoy it immediately. Washing vegetables will become easier and more convenient than ever when you use this device. This device not only saves time, but also effectively ensures food hygiene and safety. With advanced technology and smart design, this device helps remove dirt, bacteria, and other impurities from the surface of vegetables quickly and effectively. You just need to put the vegetables in the device. Turn on the switch and wait. All remaining work will be completed automatically and efficiently. This not only saves time and effort, but also ensures that your vegetables are washed in the best possible way, retaining their natural flavors and nutrients. With this device, you can rest assured about the safety and quality of food every time you prepare meals for your family and loved ones. Cutting vegetables becomes easier and more convenient than ever when you use this device. This device is designed with advanced technology and smart features, helping you perform cutting tasks quickly and accurately, saving time and effort. The fully automatic tray sealing packaging line for dried fruits is a shining testament to the The combination of packaging system and tray sealer not only improves production efficiency, but also brings high flexibility to the production process. This helps optimize production processes, enhance competitiveness, and respond quickly to diverse market needs. Pay attention to the meat being sliced evenly on the production line. The precision and uniformity of these pieces of meat is a clear testament to the modernity and professionalism of the production process. With advanced technology and high flexibility, the Multivac T800 machine can meet the packaging needs of minced meat manufacturers efficiently and accurately. Have you tried it yet? Bacon and sausage packaging lines are not only an important part of the food production process, but also a highlight of modernization and optimization in the food industry. You are wasting a lot of time dicing meat. This will be your savior. With its versatility and high performance, this machine is capable of weighing and cutting.